Welcome to this session. In this session, I will show you how to simulate plus 5 volt regulated power supply. First of all, go to this component mode, click on P, and first we need the transformer. Type here as transformer. Here we have to select this simple transformer. Double click on simple transformer. Once we double click on it, here we can observe that that transformer is going to appear in this component list. Now we also need a bridge rectifier module. Type bridge rectifier here. Select the first one, the bridge rectifier module. Double click on it. Once we double click on it, that is going to appear in this component list. Now it's time to select the capacitor. Type capacitor here. Here we need two types of capacitor. One is electrolytic and one more is ceramic. First I will select the electrolytic capacitor. Click on generic electrolytic capacitor. Double click on it. And likewise we also need generic non-electrolytic capacitor. Double click on it. Both the capacitors are going to added in this list. Now search for LM7805 IC. The LM7805. Just enter it as 7805. Here we can see that IC is going to appear here. Double click on it. Click on OK. Once we select all these components, now it's time to construct a circuit using these selected components. First add transformer. And add this bridge rectifier module. Likewise 7805 and electrolytic capacitor here. Okay, flip this component accordingly. Okay, once we make the proper connection, now it's time to change its value of the capacitor. Here we have to change the value of capacitor as per our requirement. I will set it as 10 microfarad and the output capacitor as 0.1 microfarad. Click OK. And here we have to give the sine wave input. For that, just click on P and go to component, click on P, type V sine. Here we can see that this is a sine wave voltage source. Double click on it and that is going to appear in the component list. Click on V sine. Give it to input of the transformer and set its voltage. Double click on it. Click on edit property. Here set as amplitude to 20, frequency as 50. Click on OK. In order to observe the DC output, we need a DC voltmeter. For that, go to virtual instrument mode, select DC voltmeter here, connect the DC voltmeter at output. Okay, once we turn on this circuit, here the plus 5 volt is going to appear. Click on run. Here we can observe that this circuit gives the plus 5 volt. Hence we have conducted the plus 5 volt regulated power supply circuit. Thank you.